Welcome to Storytime with Eric Miller. Ah, the magical world of practice ownership, where doctors effortlessly build wealth, never stress about finances, and retire with ease.
Vanguard mutual funds have done a great job over the last 30 years of convincing the public that the reason that you are not in a financially independent state is because of the huge fees that you've been paying on your investments. Now, look, I got, 10 clients that have a $15 million net worth and over, and I asked them what attributed to your financial success. You know what? Not one of them had any attention on the investment fees that they were paying. Tell you what they did say: good financial management, hard work, discipline, good control of their money, prudent investments, and making sure that they had a plan with something holding them accountable did lead to financial success. Look, the fees that you're paying on investments, you want to be mindful of them, but they are not what is causing you to have financial distress. Not having a plan, not having someone hold you accountable is what's causing you to not be in the financial condition that you want to be. So do me a favor, click the link below, schedule a call with one of our advisors, and we can show you the amount of money you're leaving on the table by not having a plan.